Students, now we are taking fifth example. Example number 5. 0 minus 4 minus 8 minus 12 and so on. Okay, so first of all, here we have to identify first term means T1, then T2 means second term, T3 means third term, and T4 means fourth term. Okay, so in this sequence, T1, here T1 is equal to 0, then T2 is equal to minus 4, T3 is equal to minus 8, and T4 is equal to minus 12. Okay, now we have to find out common difference between any two consecutive terms. So here T2 minus T1 is equal to T2 is minus 4 minus T1 is 0. So minus 4 minus 0, that is minus 4. So T2 minus T1 is equal to minus 4. Now T3 minus T2 is equal to T3 is minus 8 minus T2. T2 is minus 4. So here minus 8 minus minus plus 4. So here minus 8 plus 4, that means here different signs, so subtraction. So 8 minus 4 is 4, and sign of bigger number is 8, and its sign is minus, so answer is minus 4. So minus 8 plus 4 is equal to minus 4. Now next, T4 minus T3 is equal to, T4 is minus 12, T4 is minus 12 minus T3 is, here T3 is minus 8. So here minus 12 and minus minus plus 8. So here minus plus means different sign, so subtraction. So 12 minus 8 is 4, and sign of bigger number, here bigger number is 12 and its sign is minus, so answer is minus 4. So here T4 minus T3 is equal to minus 4. So we can see that here the difference between any two consecutive terms is minus 4, that means constant. Okay, so we can say that this sequence is an AP and the common difference is minus 4. So here, so the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. The difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. So this sequence is an AP, means arithmetic progression, with common difference -4. Okay, so this sequence is an arithmetic progression with common difference here -4. So in this way we have solved fifth example. Now example number 6, and there are fractions. Example number 6, -1/5, then -1/5, -1/5, and so on. So here first of all we have to write T1, T2 and T3. So here in this sequence T1 is equal to -1/5, then T2 is equal to -1/5, and also T3 is equal to -1/5. Okay, now we have to find out common difference between two consecutive terms. So here T2 minus T1 is equal to, T2 is here -1/5. So here T2 means -1/5 minus T1 is also -1/5. So here in bracket -1/5 minus in bracket T1 means -1/5 is equal to -1/5 minus plus 1/5. Now you can see that here denominators are same. So here -1 plus 1/5, okay, is equal to -1 plus 1. So here different sign, and so subtraction. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So here 0/5 is equal to 0. Okay, now next T3 minus T2 is equal to, T3 is here T3 is -1/5 minus T2 is also -1/5 is equal to -1/5 minus plus 1/5 is equal to, yeah, denominators are same. So -1 plus 1/5 is equal to minus 1 plus 1 is 0 upon 5, so is equal to 0. So here we can see that difference between any two consecutive term is here 0, that means constant. So the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. So this sequence is an arithmetic progression, means AP, with common difference is 0. Okay, so here we have solved example number 6. Now next, example number 7. 3, then 3 plus root 2, then 3 plus 2 root 2, and 3 plus 3 root 2, and so on. At first we have to identify T1, T2, T3 and T4 here. So in this sequence T1 is 3, then T2 is equal to 3 plus root 2, then T3 is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, and T4 is equal to 3 plus 3 root 2. Okay, so in this sequence T1 is equal to 3, T2 is equal to 3 plus root 2, then T3 is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, and T4 is equal to 3 plus 3 root 2. Now we have to find out the difference between two consecutive terms. So here T2 minus T1 is equal to, T2 is 3 plus root 2 minus T1 is 3. So here 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. So the answer is root 2 here. Okay, now T3 minus T2 is equal to, T3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus T2 is 3 plus root 2 is equal to, here 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus plus minus root 2 is equal to, here plus 3 minus 3 means 3 minus 3 gone, and here 2 root 2 minus root 2 is equal to root 2. Okay, Now next T4 minus T3 is equal to, here T4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus T3. T3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 is equal to, now solve the bracket, 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 and minus plus minus 2 root 2 is equal to, here 3 minus 3 is gone and 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 means 3 minus 2 is 1, means 1 root 2, that means root 2. So here difference between any two consecutive terms is root 2, that means constant here. So we can say that this sequence is an arithmetic progression with common difference is root 2 here. Okay, so the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. So this sequence is an arithmetic progression, means AP with common difference root 2, root 2. So this sequence is an AP with common difference root 2. Now next example number 8, 127 means 127, 132 and 137 and so on. You have to solve example number 8 at home. Okay, so now we are starting question number 2. Here question 2. Question is, write an AP whose first term is A and common difference is D in each of the following. Write an AP whose first term is A and common difference is D in each of the following. So first example of it, A is equal to 10 and here D is equal to 5. A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 5. A means first term of the AP and D means common difference. So here A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 5, that is the given thing to us. So first of all T1 means A means first term, that is 10. Now T2 is equal to T1 plus common difference means D is equal to T1 is 10 plus D means common difference is 5. So 10 plus 5 15. Now T3 is equal to T2 plus D. Here you can see that T2 is 15 here. So 15 plus D means common difference is 5. So 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. Okay. Now T4 is equal to T3 plus D is equal to T3 is 20 plus D means 5. So 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. So the AP. So the arithmetic progression means the AP is 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. Okay. So in this way we can solve the next examples also. Now example number 2. Example number 2 here. A is equal to minus 3 and D is equal to 0. So here also given thing. So here reason is given. A means first term is minus 3 and D common difference is equal to 0. So here T1 means A first term is minus 3. Now T2 that means second term is equal to T1 plus D. T1 is minus 3 plus D is 0 is equal to minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3. Now T3 is equal to T2 plus D is equal to T2. T2 is also minus 3 plus D is equal to 0 is equal to minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3. Then T4 is equal to T3 plus D is equal to T3 is also minus 3 plus 0 is equal to minus 3 plus 0 is equal to minus 3. So T1 is equal to minus 3, T2 is equal to minus 3, T3 is equal to minus 3 and T4 is equal to also minus 3. So the AP is minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3 and so on. So here in first example the AP is 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on, and in second example the AP is minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3 and so on. Okay. Now example number 3. A is equal to minus 7 and d is equal to 1 upon 2. So here the reason is also given. Now first of all T1, so T1 is equal to, T1 means A is equal to minus 7, and T2 is equal to T1 plus D is equal to, T1 is minus 7 plus D means 1 upon 2. Here minus 7, that means minus 7 upon 1 plus 1 upon 2. Here the denominators are different, so cross multiplication. So minus 7 multiplied by 2, so minus 7 2s are minus 14 plus 1 1s are 1 upon 2 1s are 2 is equal to minus 14 plus 1, that means different signs here, so subtraction. So 14 minus 1 is 13, 14 minus 1 is 13, and sign of bigger number is 14 and its sign is minus, so here minus 13 upon 2, minus 13 upon 2. So here we can write T2 is minus 13 upon 2, or we have to divide them, means minus 2 6 are 12, 0.25 are 10, that means minus 6.5. So we can write T2 is equal to minus 13 upon 2 or minus 6.5. Now T3 is equal to T2 plus D. T2 is here minus 6.5 or minus 13 upon 2, plus D means 1 upon 2. You can see that here denominators are same, so here minus 13 plus 1 upon 2 here is equal to, here minus 13 plus 1, that means different sign, so subtraction. 13 minus 1 is 12 and sign of bigger number is 13 and its sign is minus, so answer is minus 12 upon 2 is equal to, here 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, so here answer is minus 6. Here answer is minus 6. Now next term, that is T4 is equal to T3 plus D is equal to T3. T3 is minus 6. So here minus 6 plus D. D means 1 upon 2. So here minus 6 means minus 6 upon 1 plus 1 upon 2. You can see that the denominators are different, so cross multiplication. So here minus 6 multiplied by 2 is minus 12 plus 1 1s are 1 upon 2 1s are 2. So here minus 12 plus 1, that means different sign, so subtraction. 12 minus 1 is 11 and sign of bigger number is here 12 and its sign is minus, so minus 11 upon 2. So here we can also write here minus 11 upon 2 is equal to minus 2 5s are 10 point, also 2 5s are 10, that means minus 5.5. so here the arithmetic progression means AP is, so the AP is here minus 7, minus 6.5, minus 6, minus 5.5, and so on. Okay, so in this way we have solved here third example of question 2 here. Now next example number 4. Example number 4. A is equal to minus 1.25 and D means common difference is equal to 3 here. A means first term is equal to minus 1.25 and D means common difference is 3. So here first of all T1, so T1 is equal to A, that is minus 1.25. so T1 means first term of the AP is minus 1.25. now T2, here T1 is equal to minus 1.25 and now T2 is equal to T1 plus D is equal to T1. T1 is minus 1.25 plus D. D is 3. So here also different sign. So subtraction. So 3 minus 1.25. See here 3 minus 1.25. Here 3 means 3.00 minus 1.25. Here 0 minus 5 is impossible, so 10 minus 5 is 5. Here also 0 means 10, but here we have to subtract 1 for it, so here 9 minus 2 is 7. Here is point, and here 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So 3 minus 1.25 is equal to 1.75 is equal to 1.75. 1.75. Okay. And sign of bigger number is 3 and its sign is plus. So here 1.75. now T3 is equal to T2 plus D is equal to, here T2 is 1.75 plus D means 3. So here 1.75 plus 3.3 means 3.00. So here 5 plus 0 is 5, 7 plus 0 is 7, and 1 plus 3 is 4. So 1.75 plus 3 is equal to 4.75. Now T4, fourth term of the AP is T4 is equal to T3 plus D. T3 is 4.75 plus d means 3. So 4.75 plus 3, here let us see, 4.75 plus 3 means 3.00, and here addition 5 plus 0 is 5, 7 plus 0 is 7, point here 4 plus 3 is 7. So answer is 7.75. So 4.75 plus 3 is equal to 7.75. So here the AP is, so the arithmetic progression means AP. So the AP is minus 1.25, 1.75, then 4.75, then 7.75, and so on. So here the AP is minus 1.25, 1.75, 4.75, and 7.75. and so on. Okay, now example number 5. Example number 5 is very easy. You can definitely solve at home. So now we are taking sixth example. Example number 6 is A is equal to minus 19 and D is equal to minus 4. So here T1 means first term, means A is equal to minus 19. Okay, here reason is given, here also reason is given also. Okay, so here T1 means A is equal to minus 19. Now T2 is equal to T1 plus D is equal to T1 is minus 19 plus D means minus 4 is equal to minus 19 plus minus 4 is equal to minus 19 minus 4, means there are same signs, so addition. So 19 plus 4 is 23, and sign is the same sign, means minus 23. Now T3 is equal to T2 plus D is equal to, here T2 is minus 23 plus D means minus 4 is equal to minus 23, and plus minus is minus 4. Here you can see that the signs are same, so we have to add them, means 23 plus 4 is 27, and sign is the same, means minus 27. Now T4 is equal to 4 is equal to T3, the previous term means T3 plus D. So here T3 is minus 27 plus D. D is minus 4 is equal to here minus 27 plus minus 4 is equal to here also the signs are same. So we have to add them, means 27 plus 4 is 31 and sign is the same, means minus. So here T1 is equal to minus 19, T2 is equal to minus 23, then T3 is equal to minus 27 and T4 is equal to minus 31. So the AP means arithmetic progression is, here first term is minus 19, then second term is minus 23, then third term is minus 27 and fourth term is minus 31 and so on. Okay, so our sixth example of question 2 is completed here. So here we have completed our second question. Now question number 3, but we shall take question number 3 in next lecture. Okay, I hope you better understood the examples which I taught you. Okay, so bye students.